your boy Grizzly Man. I'm back with another daggone video. Yeah, so today I'm gonna be giving y'all an update on everything that's going on, man. Hey, shout out to everybody that said congratulations for the new baby. A new baby is coming, y'all. I'm having a baby girl. Shout out to everybody that supported me, and you know, comment down below if I didn't comment to you. I tried to comment down to everybody. If I didn't, I'm telling you now. So I'm telling you verbally, you know. So I think that's better. But got something in the mail. All right, so y'all already know from the, one of the last videos, these were messed up, my markers. So they sent me some new ones. So let me show y'all real quick. They sent me some new markers, you know, bye. So I don't know if I'm gonna do them this video. It looked like it's about to rain, and hold on. So it looks like it's about to rain. It says it's about to rain real soon. So I don't wanna, you know, open this up and then it's gonna pour on me and then I'll be left on the rain. So it's not gonna be done this video, all right? But also I have coming in the mail, I have my rotors and brake pads coming in for my Mazda. You know, I'm trying to hook this thing up, man. This is my daily driven car. And so, you know, you see my rotor is bad right there. So I'm gonna show y'all the bad, and I'm gonna show y'all the good and the ugly. You see, I ain't no rich dude, man. I make ends meet, but I do good for myself. So it's things that happen that you gotta get done. So what I'm waiting on is I'm waiting for the rotors and the brake pads. They should be coming in today. I'm gonna get that done, which I'm really excited about. Also, let me see. Oh yeah, I got some things coming for her too. It's gonna be around this area. If you know, it might be back here too. But if you know, I got the 4.5-inch tips in the back. They do that thing crazy. If y'all haven't seen my last video with the cars and coffee in Potomac, that thing was sick, man. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and share. And don't forget, don't skip none of the ads, y'all. Watch all the ads if you can. You know, help me out, help your boy out with continue these mods, because I'm gonna continue to do these mods for you guys, because I do YouTube. It's for my pleasure, my fun, because I love it, but I also do it for you guys too, man. It's good to share this, man. Black Beauty is looking so good today. I don't know, because the sun is not like beaming, but she is dark. I think it's this ceramic stuff that I use. If y'all have this, it's funny, Grizzly Gang, because I broke the daggone knob to it. But if y'all have this stuff is excellent, bro. And look, my car is still clean. I think it's a little dust. Oh, it's not really though. Wow, because it did rain and I drove my car in the rain, and look how it looks right now. It's no dirt. Like, dirt really piles up like right here in this area and back here. It's not like noticeable, you know. It's my car really looks shine. It shines. So I think this stuff is really good. I don't think none of my wax has done that. And I use this. Let me show y'all my junky trunk. I use this. I still love this stuff too. This stuff is good, but it doesn't work as good as this, the ceramic. Oh yeah, y'all, I still got a few stickers left. If you down, hit me up. You see I got orange, I got green, and I got yellow. Those are the only ones I got. No more blue. Blue is gone. Oh, I got one more blue. My bad. I got one more blue, so everyone wants that, man. Hit me up, man. I'm gonna tell y'all, hit me up on my IG. My IG is Grizzly_Marty, okay? And the stickers are $10. 10, okay? I mean 5 is 10, okay? So they are $10, and I take Cash App. So yeah, so a few people got it a few days ago. So if you do have your stickers, y'all, you put it on your car, take a picture and send it to me, and I'll post it on my IG, okay? So yeah, we doing all that. So I'm gonna just rap to y'all real quick. Man, Black Beauty, bro. I feel like she's getting faster and faster. Like every time I drive her, I feel like she just gets faster. I don't know, because she's getting like broken in or whatever, but she just feel like she got like more pep to her step and all that. But y'all, I'm not feeling the best, you know. Trying to make it through day by day, but I'm a little down because I don't have my dog been really, you know, been getting at me. So that's been on my mind. But I'm still been making this content with you. I lost my dog in August 1st, and it hit me before, but it's like really hit me, you know, just seeing it's springtime, you know, you're seeing a lot of dogs and things like that. So it's just been really getting to me. But besides all that, y'all, I'm trying to get back into the swing of things with the car content. So I've been scheduling, talking to a few people, trying to schedule some things with the cars. I know springtime, so springtime is the time, well, springtime is coming. It's not here officially because it's supposed to snow in Maryland. They say we got 90% chance of snow, which is crazy, right? So it's supposed to snow, and I'm a car enthusiast, a 300 enthusiast, you know, like that. So it's kind of hard to do stuff in the snow, but you just knock it out. So the weather is kind of getting to me too. So I'm like, when is the weather going to break so I can, you know, get this content rolling for you guys, you know? So that's why the content been like I haven't been doing every daggone day, you know, like I'm supposed to. But I've been trying to throw the content out there as much as I can. But like I said, and like I know me, the content will start back up because I just love cars, and I got a lot of things that's coming out. I talk to a bunch of people, and you know, we schedule a lot of days, so I got a few days scheduled. I just made a plan, so I haven't done it like last year. Like I was just doing stuff on the fly. I actually got things written down, and I have my board. Well, not my board. I have my book of the ideas that I have. So if you want to do YouTube, I think it's best to do that. Have the ideas that you want to, you know, do, so you can, you know, if you have a full-time job like I do, you want to make sure that that doesn't interfere with your full-time job. So you also have to plan around it. So also, I'm really just trying to get back in. Like I said, I'm really trying to get back to the swing of things with the car content, because I was working on that baby, the baby reveal for a minute, you know. So that took a lot, and then I just wanted to spend time with my family. It's just times I just want to. I'm a family dude, and I love spending time with my family. If I could, I would do that all the time, but I can't. You know, you gotta work, you gotta do what you gotta do. But I'm a family-oriented person. I love to be with my family, and I love to chill with them, just be around them, talk to them, just see them and stuff like that. So I just had to just get away from YouTube a little bit and not concentrate on just a little bit, you know. But had to just get back to my fam, you know, and give them their time, because it's only one me, and I gotta take care of what I have to. But other than that, y'all, I've been good. Ain't nothing really stressing me, you know. Just been trying to just make this car content for you guys, and I'm running out of mods for the 300. Not really, but kind of like the little things, but knocking it out, because this thing is getting fully modded, bro. And I'll tell you, like, the Pro Charger is pretty much like the last step for me when I get it. I'm really trying to work on getting it this year. If it doesn't happen this year, it definitely will be next year. But my goal is to always bring, you know, stuff to the channel. And it's shocking. I know I haven't told y'all about the baby, but the babies make it a little bit more difficult. So, like I've been saying, y'all, I got a bunch of surprises that's coming to the channel. Had to make a quick stop. Had to pay some things at the bank. So I have a bunch of things coming to the channel. I'm really excited to tell y'all. So my baby, she about to be riding a little lower. So if y'all know what that means, I'm just waiting for that to come. Hopefully that'll come this weekend, or next weekend, or sometime like that. So hey man, I'm trying to get it done for you guys, but I can't wait till she get a little bit lower, man. She gonna be sitting pretty. And oh yeah, she getting some nice tires and rims, of course. Don't play around with me, boys. I'm telling y'all, man. I got some things for the 300. I'm trying to make the most. I'm trying to make the greatest 300 in history. You know, this is for me, my 300, you know, Grizzly Marty 300. So y'all already see, y'all gonna be seeing rolling down in Maryland. I'm pretty much everywhere. If y'all in the Upper Marlboro area and y'all see me rolling, man, you know, hey, I roll my window down, say what's up to y'all, man. Give you a quick, you know, skirt, you know. I turn up for you guys, man. That's what I do. I like to interact with my subscribers, with my supporters. Shout out to everybody, man, because y'all been really supporting me. I love the comments and things like that, man. We just doing bigger and better things, bro. 2020, this is the year. We going up from here, you know. I'm telling you. So like this summer, I ain't got the pedal on. That joint was late with the response. See, that's what I'm telling you. Y'all should get this roar pedal, bro. The roar pedal, you don't get a late response. So I don't feel like turning on right now. I should have got gas. See, I'm all rambling and stuff. I need gas. I need to turn back around. I don't think I need to get it right now. Am I going anywhere? Nah, I get it tomorrow. I'm driving my Mazda 3. I get something else. I'm gonna go spend time with my fam, y'all. But I just wanted to update my Grizzly Gang family, man. I wanted to update y'all with some mods that's coming up, bro. Cause I'm always got something on the channel. I upload 3 times or 4 times a week. So definitely do that for y'all. So I always try to keep that constant. You know, if I don't do that, that's because something happened. And yeah, it's because something happened, but nothing's happened. I'm good. Just trying to get this content out, but the weather is not trying to break, which is like messing it up. But that's no excuse. I ain't trying to make no excuses, y'all. I'm still grinding. I'm still out here hustling, doing my thing. I gotta get some fishing content for y'all too. If y'all like fishing content, comment down below. I love fishing. Fishing is my thing. I'll probably bring that to the channel here and there. And I've been killing it on my workouts, bro. So I'm at like 360. No, I'm actually at 375 for my max and bench. I'm at almost at 500 in squats. I'm at 655 for deadlifts. So I'm almost at 700, you know, so I'm getting back to like the swing of things. It's crazy. My max for squats was 455 and I'm past that, you know, so my knee has definitely recovered. I had a bad knee injury. I don't know what it was. I just had to rest it, and my doctor told me to stretch it and stuff like that, and that's what I did, and it came out good. My knee is stronger than ever, it feels like, you know, with the stretching. I think I wasn't stretching enough, but I got it done. But enough with the rambling, y'all. Hey man, I'll see y'all on the next one, man. I wasn't trying to make this a long video. It's just me talking and stuff. But I'll see y'all on the next one, man. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Grizzly Marty channel, because I'm coming out with these bangers every single goddamn day, man. Hey man, I'm telling y'all, we doing this, Grizzly Gang. 300 gang, everybody, y'all. We killing the streets in the DMV. I'm telling y'all, I see all of y'all comments, I see y'all DMs, I reply to y'all. Hey, I'll let you know that next time we have a car meet, I'm gonna post it. Hopefully y'all can come out there and meet me if you haven't already met me, man. So definitely like to meet my subscribers and see what y'all, you know, what your mind on and everything. See what y'all like about the car. See what y'all doing to y'all car, man. Cause I like to put my Grizzly Gang on there too. If y'all have a car that y'all think is cool, you think will be cool to the channel. And if you got 300s, man, I'll put you on the channel, man. 300 gang all day, you feel me? I'll put you on the channel, man. Shout y'all out, all that stuff, bro. All right, so y'all. Oh, I'm gonna stab my foot. All right, look, we got some in the mail. We got some in the mail. I told you what I was gonna get. How you open this thing? Oh, you gotta open it from the side. So, open it like this. Open this thing. This thing is hard to open. I'm struggling. Oh, there you go. Boom. You open it like that. So y'all, I got some brakes. I got some rotors for the Mazda, because your boy was screeching when he was rolling. I can't be rolling like that, man. I'm Grizzly Marty, man. I can't be rolling like that. They had me over there screeching. Oh, they did that to my brakes. Oh, these are the right brake pads too. Bet. So I got some Remit. Detroit axle, man. Shout out to y'all. You know, I worked with them before, so I got the front ones. Man, it's so messed up, y'all, because I haven't, let me talk to y'all. I haven't changed these rotors. I changed my brakes before, but I haven't changed the rotors since I bought the car. Is that bad? I know I'm setting a bad example. Do not do that. I had this car for over 5 years now, and I should have been changing my rotors. But I've been changing my brakes. But my rotors are trash now, and I gotta buy rotors and brakes. So here we go. So that y'all should be seeing this on the next vlog, man. I ain't gonna keep y'all too long. Peace. I'll see you on the next one. Ooh, hands are ashy too. Woo.